What up, Jay? Tofik, Keegan Murphy, Jasmine, Jay Measy, Coach Eddie, AS. You need to make 700 to get max payout land? Do you need to do it in one session? How are you trying to do this? How hard can it be? Right? How hard can it be? That's my battle cry. Oh, okay. Alfred. Oh, all right. Yeah. So, yeah. No pressure. No pressure. K. Soliman. Yeah. Yeah. I need to make my, I need to put my bulenox account, my Project SlipX bulenox account back into streamer mode for my protection, your protection, and my privacy. Okay. So before I show you what the fuck is going on, yeah. So am I logged into everything? One more account. One more account. Thanks, Jay. Tick Daddy. Building Impossible Dreams. Bob, for now. Haven't seen you in a while. Maximus. JJ Camo. Oh, shit. Nice job. 10K on a 150K Top Step XFA. Love to see it. You love to see it. I don't have a ton of time to hang out, but I can hang out for like an hour. Interesting, interesting. Just drawing out some the VWAPs. Well, actually, I'm drawing some fibs, and we're right around the VWAP. Steam, yo, what up? What up? What up? Just ain't right. Mwah. Thank you. Yeah, man. It's been pretty good. I think I figured some things out about the game of prop firm trading. Oh, that's you? Oh, I didn't know that. So, Bob, for now, you're also Trader Bob. I didn't know that, bro. Good to know. I hope I remember. I'll do my best to remember that. Tick Daddy needs a golden shower. How about NQ fucking popping? How many points did this shit pop? It dropped, and then it popped over 200 points for the stream. Now it's coming back down. It's going to come back down. Anyway, let me turn my screen sharing on. Sorry, guys. I was having too much fun. I'm having too much fun. Boom. Yeah. I feel you. I know what you mean. You see, guys? All right. Well, here's my trade day account. Damn, NQ's kind of dropping right now. Damn. 70 something points. Off a 618 rejection from this high. What's up, Bot? Yo, Steam, you keep You keep pulling back your message before I get a chance to see it, bro. What are you saying, man? Tell me. Don't be scared. Ice Cube, what up? Chilling, bro. Chilling. All right, so here's my trade day accounts. The VWAP. This is the NQ. Here's gold. Oh, shit. I love gold. Yo, what? Where's my groups, yo? Where the fuck? Oh, new account. New accounts. Look at that drop. Yo, you know how many times I've come within ticks like this of getting fucking filled on an order? I didn't have the order in yet, but I probably would have put it at the 786 and would have missed it by what? 5 fucking ticks, and it just dropped 22 ticks. It might even go lower. It might even go lower. Lower. Depending on where you put it, the fib, the top of the fib, it could be right on it. Oh, maybe, dude. You wonder if we collapse the April lows? I mean, we're already down to August lows. Logan, Matthew Van Zant, Carlos, the VWAP, Crank, Whipstream in the crib. Do I use key levels? Well, I'll draw them out if I see something. Like, just today I drew this. September 11th, before the market. So when did that happen? This happened when the market reopened, but when the market closed, we literally bounced exactly on the daily chart, the low of September 11th. And then we went even lower to like August lows. We actually bounced off if I go to the daily, we bounced off a 707 on the fib that I drew from a low all the way back on the 1st of August. So from this low to the high of, what day was this? October 31st. It came all the way back down and it just bounced off the 707 today, and when the market reopened. Natty Uzan, what up? Tony Gold. D-Walk, what up? What up? As far as I'm concerned, key levels for me, the 707 and the 786, whenever I draw a fib, is a key level for me. Eric J, what up? Yeah. That's for me. That's what I'm looking for nowadays. And if I could get some confluence, it'd be great. But I almost don't even. And I wish I paid more attention, but I almost don't even pay attention to that shit lately. I'm sure that would help me make even more money. We're right at the bottom orb right now. So if I draw a happy little Fibonacci from the high to the low, kind of rejected off the midline, but I could also change that to here. And look what happened. Here's the high. Here's the first high. Like you could draw this shit wherever you want, really. You just got to get a feel for how it behaves when you do that. But look, I didn't cheat so that this would reject right off the 786. If you look here on the 15-minute chart, this candle could be considered the last high. The high and the low. And it's like, look at that. It's fucking crazy. And look how many ticks is down already. It's down 50 ticks. Fuck. I wish I fucking caught that. Yeah, you might catch a seizure looking at my chart. Watch the weekly. Well, with gold, the weekly. This is the weekly on gold. But I got fibs. Look at all these fibs. Those are from June. There's more on the NQ because did I get rid of a bunch? I don't even know. Look at the NQ. Oh, there's the is laughing at us. How do I copy that? I need to put one in here. Nice. All right. We were talking about that earlier today on the stream. Got to put a laugh. We got to put the market laughing at us right here. What happened? Yo, damn it, yo. Copy. Can I paste it? Okay, boomer. Whoop. I don't want them upside down. Right there, laughing at everybody. Laughing at all the bulls. I don't know how I flipped over like that. I don't know how I did that. But whatever. He's rolling on the floor laughing at us. Laughing at everybody. Who thought we were just going to keep going up and up and up. Anyway. Rick. Oh, shit. Well, I appreciate it, man. I really do. Thank you. DBT, what up? Crank, I know. I still do it from time to time, but not so much the funded accounts. V33. Speaking of Apex, 80% off and $40 to make them holla lifetime activation fee. I actually got to activate one as we speak. But let me show you what I got going on in my accounts. We got enough people in here. I wasn't expecting it to be a big turnout because nobody knew I was coming on. Yeah, I must be doing something right. I don't trade power hour all that good, but I also don't fuck with my funded accounts during power hour. I fuck with evals, which is trying to pump. Like these, which I did. All of these are over the target. I pushed them. I got the other half of half a smash during power hour today, and then I got my flip days in. So day 3 is in the books on 3 150K take profit trader accounts and 150K. They're all over the target. How hard can it be to get 2 more flip days? Now I'm good in terms of the 50% consistency rule, so I could fucking, lose $1 or $2 and be good on the next 2 days. Oh, nice, Rick. Yeah, man. I'm with you, bro. Just when you get to 20, just take your time, man. Don't do what I did. I will eventually have 20 in there again, but right now, I'm good with these 3 right here that are locked for a payout now. Day 8 in the books right here. So I'm going to fucking request. And then this one's at a little over 1,000 after 2 days. This one's got, this is the one I passed. This one's got 196 after 1 day. So I'm going to request 1481 plus 1501 plus 1621. I'm going to request $4,603 tomorrow after the market closes and Apex updates. So maybe we'll have a payout request party. I'll hop back on. Yeah, I'll hop back on to do that. I'll make my update videos and then we'll have a payout request party. Carlos, yeah, bro. Definitely a different style of trading for sure. Trading end of day versus intraday. You could you could afford for shit to move around without it fucking killing your drawdown. I'm so used to intraday though. I've been trading it since day 1. Since I started over 2 years ago with this shit. So that's that. And then I like to get my bulenox accounts out of the way. I guess you'll never know. We got the leader and the follower. Did I change it? Did I go have a red day and change it to green? What do you think I did? Hell yeah. Thanks, Jay. Thanks, Jay. What did I do? You know what I did? I fucking locked in another $3,000 with bulenox from the same two fucking accounts. That's what I fucking did. I don't have all 10 days in yet, but watch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I could flip the next 2 days. But what I'm going to do is, if you see here, I got this daily loss limit set. So I'm going to trade on Monday and Tuesday to not lose $250. It doesn't mean I'm going to lose money that day. I could get money those 2 days, but it doesn't matter. I could afford to lose a lot more than that. Let me show you my balance. Let me unhide this shit. I put on some sunglasses or something, guys. Put on sunglasses because you're going to see my balance now. But look, I'm at $6,435. I am $2,335 over max payout land. So even if I were to lose both days and hit the daily loss limit, which after fucking slippage, even though it's set to $250, after slippage will probably be around $300, I'll still have $5,800 of a balance, which is $1,700 over max payout land. So I'll still be able to request. So that's another $3,000 right there. The issue is I'm not gonna count it towards this month because I'm gonna request it here. Well, Tuesday, I'm gonna request it as soon as the market closes, right? I won't get this money until next Wednesday because I missed the fucking Friday cutoff. So I'll get the money the following Wednesday, which is December 3rd, or it's the 2nd or the 3rd. They'll take the money out Tuesday night. The money will hit my bank account Wednesday morning. So I'll be starting December with $3,000 in payouts. That's always a great way to start a month, right? So let's do some math. Let's add 3,000 to that. What else did I do? Dude, I don't even know. Do you know, are there any live bulenox traders? Yeah, Crank, you like that. In the name of transparency, I'm going to hide my balance. And then what else do we got going on here? So I needed one more $100 day with Lucid. I was already in max payout land. I needed to get over 4,100 to be able to request what would be my third payout on this account that I'm working towards a payout on. I got 4 days in. My consistency is good. I just needed one $100 day to get my fifth day in, my fifth $100 trading day in. How hard can it be? And then because it would be my third payout, I can request 2,000 now for the third and fourth payout with Lucid. How hard can it fucking be? Well, in true form, I didn't make it easy on myself. I can tell you that. Where is it? Where is it? A bunch of just fucking shit fucking fills. Here. This is how it started. Down $300. I was actually down a little bit more. All I needed was $100. What's funny was there was a fucking trade. There was a trade that I got shaken out of. I actually got stopped out. I was short, and sure enough, it went down more than enough for me to get what I needed. Of course. That's how the shit was moving around. Probably could have waited for things to kind of settle, but I was a little impatient today. Perry Dollar to make them holla. TJP. So what happened? What happened? We did it anyway. Day motherfucking 5 locked. I don't give a fuck what I do the rest of the day. I don't give a fuck what else happens. I fucking secured. How much did I secure? In a matter of like in a 20-minute to a half-hour span, I secured $9,603 worth of payouts. Obviously, Apex has to approve my payout request. I don't foresee them denying it. I didn't violate any rules that I know of. $9,600 to make them hollow. Let's add that to what I'm already at, which is, well, let's talk about since October 16th. 19,088 plus 389. So in literally 6 weeks, I have secured $29,000 worth of payouts. Lucky, lots of lucky guesses. Lots of lucky guesses. Oh, yeah, D-Walk. Today was that type of day for sure. Pound that confetti like grocery. Yo, Invest Stars, what up? 29,000. But it's not all profit. No shit. But a lot of it is. It's a lot of profit. Let's not fucking beat around the bush here. Let's do some math though. 29,080 divided by 6. 4847. Let's say 4846 times 52. I mean, that is the first of all, I'm well over my goal for this year, which is to do at least 100,000 in payouts. I'm probably now securing this 9,600. I'm at like 113, 114,000, some shit like that. Maybe 115, something along those lines. But if one of the goals I set for 2026, my goal is to do at least $250,000 in payouts. Look what my pace is right now based on the last 6 weeks. I'm on pace just based on how I've been trading the last 6 weeks. I'm on pace to do just over 250 grand. Now the trick is, can I keep it up? That's what she said. Florencia. All the haters could put that in their fucking pipe and smoke it. Love it. Yeah, well, I mean, I'm doing a better job this month, but obviously I want to keep the cost down. You think I want to spend the same, you think I want to spend? I would love it to be like man, if I could get it, like if I could net 150, I'd be fucking thrilled, or even 100. I don't even care if I net 50. The payouts are paying for the accounts. Who gives a fuck? Rock Driller, what up, man? Well, I got these fucking weirdos with the same weirdo. Comes on my stream during Power Hour, and if I lose a trade, they're like, thanks, Jay. I just passed 10 Apex accounts. It's like weird. So I got people like that. I got other people who fucking create multiple Twitter accounts and then have conversations with each other about me. With themselves. Fucking weirdos. It's probably the same fucking jerk off. How did I get out of my funk last month? I stopped trading the NQ. And I've been trading the fibs for a while. I've been drawing them out like for a long time. Nice fucking pop there. We are where are we? Shit. I realized that the fibs, they fucking, on the shorter time frames, they fucking play out all day. Between that and just stop and just not trading the NQ, and then just being patient and waiting. Like, I'm going to put an order up here. for this account. Let's see if I can get filled. Now, I could get stopped out, like whatever. It might not work out. A lot of times I don't get fucking filled here, so I put an order at the 707 and hope to get filled there, which I might do here. I'm not sure. But I just stopped fucking being impulsive with my trading. At least, you know, I reduced my impulsive trading. And I just wait patiently. I just wait. And I'm not fucking with the NQ. I fucking hate the NQ. And I've done really well trading the NQ. Like, I've gotten a lot of payouts this year, mostly by trading the NQ. But I don't know, something fucking clicked in with me with gold. And I haven't, you know, between that, like, I found my edge. My edge are these fibs. I see it a certain way, and it works for me. You know what I mean? That's all it takes. It is what it is. You know what I mean? I'm fucking happy that I was able to. I'll trade the NQ with evals, especially when I'm trying to do like pass to smash or get a flip day in or whatever. I rarely trade funded accounts with the NQ. I fucking hate the NQ. JP. Yeah, you just got to be patient. And sometimes you got to expand them, right? Sometimes it might blow through a shorter time frame fib and go to the next level. You got to be flexible. You got to have some flexibility with your fibs when you're drawing your fibs. You don't want to draw it to just suit your bias. You just want to draw them. I draw them all fucking day, in case you haven't noticed. And like I've deleted a bunch of them. I removed a bunch of them. I draw these fucking things all day. So it's just something I see. You see, guys? Yo, it's crazy. Yo, Jay Measy, for real. You draw them enough times. Like, I could see the levels without even having to draw them at this point, but I like drawing them, so I have the reference. I put my order in place, and then I'm just gonna wait. But it might just be the 618 that is rejecting off today because we wicked over it a little bit, and you have the upper the VWAP band here. So this might be the move down until it fucking finds a level on the fib to fucking bounce off of. And then there'll be times where it just blows right through it, and it's just nothing you could do. It happens. But that's just part of it. That's everything. Whatever edge you have or whatever strategy you like to trade, it's not always going to work. Just have your fucking risk management in place so you don't fucking blow up because it doesn't go your way. W's in the chat. That's right. Thanks, chat. Hey, chat. You see, guys? Oh, yo, it's Mitch. What up, Mitch? What's good, man? I've never used the automated one. I don't know. I mean, you could play with it. I mean, put it on there. Is it going to draw it every time? You probably have to set some sort of parameters when you want it to draw it, what time frame, shit like that. I feel like you'll get a much better understanding of how they work when you're just drawing them all day. You know what I mean? On the larger time frame, the shorter time frame, you'll see how whatever instrument you like to trade behaves within those fucking fibs that you draw. That's what you want to be able to do. You want to see it. You want to fucking know, or you'll never know beyond the shadow of a doubt, but you'll want to have a good idea. And I don't trust the automated shit. It's one thing if it's like drawing like the top orb and the bottom orb for you, that type of shit, or, you know, moving averages or the VWAP. I'm not going to try and figure out what the fucking VWAP is. I don't know. That's your call. I would maybe put it on there, see how it works, and then draw them yourself too, and just see how much it doesn't draw versus what you draw. See, it doesn't look like it wants to come up here. So you know what happens when that happens? I usually just give up on the trade and just cancel the order. But I'm just going to chill right now because it might bounce off the VWAP here. It could bounce off the VWAP, and this might still be in play. But like anytime, there's been so many times where like it just misses filling me, which this wasn't the case. But it'll just miss filling me, and it'll drop a bunch. And then if it comes back up, I'll get filled. I mean, there's times where like it'll come back up and retest it again and then go back down for an even bigger move. But then there's times where it just blows right through it. I'm like, motherfucker. So I kind of just give up at that point and wait for the next one. Or I'll fucking draw it for a fucking bounce. I'm looking for a downside move here. Didn't get filled. So now we work from this high. You see, guys, from this high to this low. Right here at the low of the VWAP band. Look at this range from the upper of the VWAP band to the low of the VWAP band. And we got the 707 and the 786 here. And I could expand that and come down here. And now the 707, the low of the VWAP band is between the 707 and the 786. And sometimes like when they're this close to each other, 62, 47, that's 15 ticks. Let me bring it back to the other one. Where's the 618? 678, 661. I'm just trying to figure out something. See, the 786 is higher. Let's see. The 786 is at, whoops. Let me make this bigger for you guys. Sorry. You see, guys, the 786 is at 693. If I draw it from this low. What I want to see is the 618 is right at the VWAP. Look, we're coming down. See that? I didn't get filled. I wish I did. The shit came down fucking 70 ticks from the 618. It wicked over it a little bit, right? Just a tip. Now we're approaching the 707. Here's the 786. My issue is, does it want to go? How much lower does it want to go? And do I need to expand this fib to like here? But I don't know. I'll take a shot here if it comes down this far. There's my order. I can cancel this fucking thing. It's not going back up there for a while. And that's it. That's all like all day. And there's times when I lose. I'm wrong. It happens. But I'm fucking winning a lot. I'm winning to the tune of 29 grand in payouts in 6 fucking weeks. Why would I do anything else? What up, Cut? JP. JP, I just trust in the fibs. I don't give a fuck what else is happening. Unless like some crazy news just came out and you got some sort of algo dump because Trump fucking said something mean. You know, or, you know, we had a fucking red folder event like FOMC. I don't give a fuck. I honestly don't care about anything else but the fibs. When there's a big move like that, it just means it's time to expand the fib to a larger time frame. Thoughts on ES? I don't know. Maybe. I feel like, I don't know, Crank, I've watched the ES. It does the same fucking shit. It does the same shit, but the dollar amount isn't as drastic. Like what you're going to lose. I don't know. Maybe I'll look into it. Maybe. You know, it's not a bad suggestion, bro. Thanks for asking, because that's not a bad idea, to be honest with you. All right, here we go. Let's see what happens here, guys. I don't know. Something to do with rates. I don't even fucking know. JP, I mean, that's all I look at, bro. I mean, I've been looking at the fibs for a while. The understanding I gained from it just by when I came to the realization that it fucking the fibs play out on short time frames all fucking day. And I'm a scalper, right? But with gold, a good You could get you could get fucking 40, 50 ticks within like seconds. You know what I mean? Like, look at this right here. 17, 27 ticks right there in one candle, one minute candle. This move here took 10 minutes. We dropped from 791 to 712. 79 fucking ticks in like 10 minutes. It just moves much cleaner. I don't know. At least that's how I feel. I finally understand how gold works. Gold will fuck around and make you find out. But for the most part, I don't know. My experience is telling me that I'm better off trading gold. Johnny. What up, Sly Fox? Yeah, especially like if you guys have, you got like, there's a lot of guys that trade, you know, it's not the only thing that people will use the fibs looking for a confluence with other setups that they look for. I'm just looking at the fibs, but there's other people that will use the fibs as another guy, like another confluence. Like, oh shit, here's whatever I look for. Look at that. Oh, and shit, it's at the 707 on the fib. I'm definitely going to put an order there. They're powerful. And they've been around forever. It's not some new fucking, it's not some new concept. It's not something that somebody takes and gives names to and says it's his own and he invented it. Yo, the market makers are going to abduct me because I trade the fibs, yo. Perry Dollar, yeah, I don't blame you. The NQ went, how many points did the ES go down today? What was the range on ES? Let me see. Electronic trading hours. So today, it's the same fucking thing happened, though. The same shit happened. Look. 791. The shit went down 240 fucking points. That's a lot for the ES. It probably went down the same percentage. A very similar percentage. Now, if I go draw this on the daily, we basically matched October 10th low, which also the same thing happened here. Oh, no. Well, we did match. Oh, shit, I just got filled. Ruh-roh. Look, I got filled to 786. Let's see. Let's see if it holds. It might not, because this shit just, look how many ticks has dropped. 792. It went down 100 ticks. Uh-oh. See, I might be in trouble. You know why I might be in trouble? Because I should have expanded it. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to put an order at the 707 and see if it fills it. I just hope it doesn't blow. Oh, it did fill it. Uh-oh. This might have been the right spot. And that's what happens. That's what happens with the fibs. So you got to be prepared for that and not panic. Man, I could have put the order down at the 786 on this level. From the upper the VWAP band to the lower the VWAP band. This might keep dropping, but you know what? It happens. Did I just fucking violate? Oh, shit. Well, I guess I'm not getting paid on this account when I request, if I could get to request. I think I went down more than fucking 800. I'm down like 900 bucks. Awesome. As I'm talking about the fibs. I swear they work, guys. But this is why you got to make the adjustment. Might as well add here. Fuck it. I already violated the 30% rule. Let's see what happens. What a fucking dump. That was a nice dump. I literally said like 10 minutes ago that they're not going to work all the time. Sometimes shit like this is going to happen. Oh, I need to get my stop in place for 3. We got new hour fuckery coming. So at this point now with this account, however this plays out, I'm just going to continue to build it, and then we'll see what happens if I could get to request. But I don't know. I'm not even worried about that anymore now. It's only on day, what's today? Day 3? Yeah, I might get stopped out here. It's only on day 3. I'll cross that bridge when we get there. See, it wicked below. It wicked just below the 7. It wicked just below the 7. How many ticks below that was it? 12? 14 ticks? Oh, I was just green for a split second. We'll see what happens. Maybe a retest the VWAP. I should probably start trailing this fucking thing a little tighter. Uh-oh. That's not cool. Damn, I came back. Well, it looks like it's retesting the 786. Maybe it'll bounce. Or it's just going to dump. Bowser, what up? Yo, they draw them backwards. You have to draw the shit backwards. I don't like the way tradeday draws them either. Baby back fibs, Big Mike. Oh, man. Well, you know what? You know what doesn't change? Damn. That sucks. Watch it fucking bounce now. I already know how this fucking song plays out. Oh, look. I already know how this shit plays out. I got taken out. It's probably going to fucking bounce now. It's probably going to pump. This new hour fuckery. Slick Rick, the ruler. Let's see what happens. Maybe I'm going to blow this account. It doesn't change the fact that I locked in $9,600 in payouts today. But it is what it is. I'm not the best trader. We all know that. But I've been trading really fucking good lately. I had a chance to get out green. Yeah, this shit is fucked. Is it going to make new lows? Then I'm really fucked. See, like, maybe down here is where I need to expand the fib. Where's the last high? See, like, from here. Let me get rid of all of this shit so I can see better. It's retesting whatever this is. So it's only the 618. So this shit could go lower on this bigger time frame. This is from yesterday's session. So I'm going to put a fucking stop in place because I feel like it might do exactly that. I'm going to get stopped out. Told you. Fucking knew that was going to happen. Damn, I'm down $1,600. You know what's cool about this account? It cost me a total of what? $77? Not the end of the world. So this is what happens when I talk about expanding the fibs. Pine Tree, what up? Matthew Van Zandt. I do love gold. It's fucking great. I don't need this anymore. Is that really? Did I just get fucking bottom ticked? That's fucked up. It's because we got a new hour of fuckery. I think that's has a lot to do with it. But we just look how much we just dropped. 791. Oh, fuck. That's interesting. That is interesting. 791 to 590. We just dropped 200 ticks. Nayo, what up? Nasty drop. Nasty, nasty drop. The upper the VWAP band. I don't think they expire until December. Well, yeah. Well, that's in a couple. That's like in a week or two. I wonder when they're gonna roll them out exactly. You gonna film me, or is it not gonna film? There we go. What a fucking drop. Wishful thinking. I guess it wants to go lower. I mean, this account might be fucking done. Would have been so much easier to just go short. I usually lean towards going short more than going long, but whatever. The 15. Ew. Oh, yeah. I mean, look at that shit. Nasty. Nasty drop. So there's a 786. Here's a 707 from this low. Oh, we got literally new hour fuckery. This is probably the worst time to be trading this shit, but whatever. Here we go. Uh-oh. I'm about to blow these accounts. Well, it's just one account. This account's cooked. I'm literally down to my last 200 bucks. Yeah, this shit's fucked. Say goodbye. Damn, that sucks. I like that account. It was at over $1,000. Now it's time to go long. Watch this. Oh, well. Did I just get bottom ticked? Hey, better that account than any account that was due for a fucking payout. 28. Corey, what up? Evan R, what's good? Caleb. Everything's tanking right now? Is that what's going on? What's Bitcoin at? Is it Bitcoin under 90 yet? That was nasty. What a drop. We literally dropped almost 300 ticks from this fucking high right here. Oh, look. What a surprise. I did get bottom ticked. Watch this. I got taken out at 34. It went down another 10 ticks. Now look. All I had to do was just wait. Oh, are you fucking serious? Look how close it was to taking me out. 9 ticks away. Now it's gonna find my trailing stop, because that happens all the fucking time. It's gonna find my trailing stop and then go back up and hit the take profit after I'm not in the trade anymore. It doesn't matter where I put it. It always finds it. Watch. Maybe it just goes up for me. No, it's not gonna. It's gonna take me out. Oh. So what did I tell you guys? What did I tell you? Now I'm gonna risk losing, not making as much money. It always fucking finds it always finds it. It always finds it. I was how many ticks away? 8 ticks away from my take profit up here. I was up 1,100 bucks. Yo, isn't that crazy? It's gonna take me out no matter what. I can move it anywhere. I can move that shit anywhere. It always fucking finds it. Oh my God. Every fucking time. It always finds it. It doesn't fucking matter where I put it. Look at my drawdown. Maybe I'll blow this too. Fuck me, man. What a waste. And this is where like my maturity as a trader comes into play. Like it couldn't just give me 8 more fucking ticks, right? Couldn't just give me 8 more ticks. 8 ticks away from a $1,200 day. Couldn't just do it. I probably blow this account. What is this day? This is day 2. I don't even want this shit anymore. That shit pisses me off. 8 fucking ticks away. JK, what up? This shit always fucking, yo, especially with gold. Oh my God. So fucked up. $21. Fucking crazy. Couldn't just give me fucking 8 more ticks. It was a great trade until it wasn't. So stupid. Shit like this pisses me off. I'm so glad all the shit that really mattered is already taken care of. I need to focus on that rather than get mad about this shit. I already blew this account. This account's going to be next. I already fucking know. I feel it. I feel the energy shift. I felt the energy shift when this fucking went. This didn't hit my take profit by 8 fucking ticks. Watch. Oh, I'm surprised it hasn't fucking done it yet. 8 ticks. Well, moving averages, I only have the 5-minute 21 and the 34 EMA and SMA. I don't have anything else on there anymore. I used to have a fuck ton of other shit. I got the VWAP. Why? I took a lot of shit off. Yeah, I feel the energy shift. It's fucking, you guys know what I'm talking about, right? There's like a shift in the fucking energy. I'm just glad I don't have to do anything. Like I locked in day 8. I locked in day 8 on these 3. Day 8 is locked. I locked in day 5 on this, so I'm going to be requesting $2,000. I'm requesting $2,000 after the market closes. Right after the market closes. I'm requesting $4,603 after this shit closes. After today closes. And then on fucking Tuesday, I'm requesting $3,000 from bulenox. So it's fine. It's just when you're in the moment and shit like that happens, it's so fucking annoying. Yeah, Eben, the 5-minute 21 is great. It's the on the 1 minute chart, it's the 105 EMA. That's how you get the 5-minute 21. You just do the math. Oh, TJP, I always feel the fucking coming. I know when it's coming. I call it. You know what's funny? I fucking call it. I call that shit before it happens, and then it always happens. But it was also new hour fuckery, so that didn't help anything. Yeah, a lot of people like the 20 and the 50. Big Mike wants 4047. You might get it, bro. And if you're in a trade and that's what you want, I hope you get it. I would like to get mine first, though. I mean, I had $1,100. So stupid. See, what's interesting now is it going to fucking reject off of this? Which is at 566. Look, it rejected off the 618 right here. Look at that. Let's see if it blows through it. Alfred, look. I know I'm going to get. I told you. I already felt the fucking coming. I already felt it. 618. On this little bullshit. Look at that. That's all it took. It couldn't just go up. It couldn't even go to the 707. What a fucking joke. What a fucking joke. Wow. Amazing. I told you I felt the fucking coming. I mean, I could have locked this in. 53. I mean, that was $600. Why wouldn't I take what's wrong with $600? What was wrong with $1,100? I just wanted 8 more ticks. I wasn't asking for much. So stupid. Rangap, what up? Chromie for the homies. I faded you. Good. Doesn't take away from the fact that I locked in $29,000 in payouts in the last 6 weeks. As far as I'm concerned, I don't give a fuck about anything else. Accounts are going to get blown along the way. That's just the way it goes. Hey, Blues Trader, what's up? Just build back better. Corey, the phone trader, what up, man? Build back better, guys. Chris, what's up? Yeah, I just popped on randomly. I'm so glad I did. At least we all got to hang out. But I just fucking literally 8 ticks away from my take profit on this one right here, this tick. And then I'm just gonna fucking blow these. I'm probably gonna blow this account. I already blew this one. I got bottom ticked. This one was 8 ticks away. I was up $1,100, and it just went back the other way, and found my trailing stop and kept going down. Blah bitty blah, hoopity ha. I know I'm gonna get fucked here. I already know I'm gonna get fucked. I feel the fucking coming so hard. But that's gold for you. Gold will do that shit to you. It just dropped like 280 ticks. Nice. Real nice job. Yeah, I basically did the same thing as you in a way. I got this right here. This is day 8. I did that earlier when the market reopened. So all I got to do now is flip 2 days. I'm basically just going to trade not to lose like 250 bucks in each of these days. And then I'll request Tuesday. Next Tuesday, I'm going to request 3,000. I'll get it the 2nd or 3rd of December. And then, oh shit. Time to pay attention. And then look right here. You see these three? Oh, there's a 707. Amazing. These three. Oh, this is day 8. I locked in day 8, so I'm going to be requesting a combined total of $4,603 across these 3 accounts when the market closes. So look, now the fibs matter. Now the fibs. Look at this. Look how small of a time frame this is. Look at this. Like this is just on like the 618 rejection. Fucking crazy. We got an equal low here, so that's cool for me at least. Can it get over this fucking 707? Can it get out of this fib and work towards the next level, the next fucking expansion? That'd be cool. I just don't want to move my fucking stop up, my trailing stop, because as soon as I do, it's going to be like, oh, look, Jay put his fucking trailing stop. Let's take it out. I don't give a fuck if any of you guys fade me. Do whatever you want. I don't care. Don't copy me either. Oh, it's Ansy. Yo, what up, Ansy? But you know what I'm saying? Like, the people that say it and they mean it, it's like, okay, cool. Good for you. Good for you. Like, I give a fuck. Hit that shit, you... Oh, my God. All right, now I'm going to trail it. Might as well lock in what? Look. I didn't even let go of it yet, and it's coming for it. I didn't even let go yet. Did this just go 8 ticks away? You fucking serious? Dude, I swear to God. This was 13 ticks away. Amazing. Fuck that. I'm leaving this shit down here. Because if I bring it up here, it's going to take it out. If I leave it down here, maybe it'll hit my take profit. Yeah, Ansy. I've been trying to get on overnights more often. It's been fucking crazy lately. This whole fucking house shit is just driving me fucking crazy. And I can't wait for it to be over. Come on, bro. Get the fuck up there. Oh, my God. Interesting. This is fucking real life. When I needed the 786, when it was on its way down, it didn't give it to me. But now it's fucking hitting. It's rejecting off of every fucking level on this little bullshit time frame. Amazing. Look, it's coming all the way back. Oh, my God. Couldn't give me 13 more ticks. Couldn't give me 8 more ticks here. Couldn't give me 13 ticks here. Like, I'm not asking for much. It's not a lot. 13 ticks. Look, we just went down. We just went down 30 fucking 50. How many ticks is that? We just went down 40 ticks. Why couldn't I get 13 more or 8 more here? Amazing. Oh, my God. I'm going to get stopped out. I told you. I mean, I was being stubborn. This is my fault, obviously. Totally my fault. But, man, it's just a perfect example of me just not getting what I want. Because I told you the energy fucking shifted. I'm going to get stopped out. Definitely getting stopped out. The energy shifted, and this is what I get. I could have locked in. Oh, just fucking do it already. Holy shit. There we go. I could have locked in how much? Look at that 786 rejection. Money. Now I'm in the mood to fucking do dumb shit. I don't even care. Let it blow the accounts. Like I give a fuck. After that, I'm fucking so fucking annoyed. Now I'm like pretty much tilting. Because it wouldn't give me 8 ticks. Now this account's going to be gone. Give it time. I'm in 4 with fucking gold. I'm going to get fucked here. I already know. This account's gone. Just kiss this. Just assume this account is gone. Yep. What did I tell you? It always fuck. It doesn't matter what happens. Once the energy shifts, it doesn't matter what I do. It doesn't matter. It's fucking crazy. It's amazing. Yeah, Big Mike, but like I said, I hope you get it. But at the same time, I was up $1,100. I was up how much here? 1,000. I didn't take it. So it has nothing to do with whatever levels you were calling out. I had good trades. I just didn't execute because I'm a stubborn prick and I'm annoyed right now. So I don't even want this account anymore. I don't even give a fuck what happens to it. So obviously I still have a lot of growing to do as a trader, but I already told you guys what's going to happen. I'm going to get fucked. It doesn't matter what happens from now on, from this on. This account is doomed, destined to be blown. If I didn't go in heavy, if I just left it alone, it would have went up. And I would have been saying, of course it goes up after I get taken out. It's going to bounce after this account gets blown. Fuck this account. Fuck them all. Not this $4,600 worth of accounts right here. Those are money. That's real money that I'm going to be requesting tomorrow. But I mean, I was up $1,100. Couldn't just give me fucking 8 more ticks. Well, I'm not asking for much. 8 more ticks, guys. You just saw what happened. We just dropped how many ticks? 570. We just dropped 80 ticks. I couldn't get 8 more ticks here or 13 more ticks here. It's the dumbest shit ever. Damn, I wanted to get off at around 7 and go to the gym, but I guess that ain't happening. Anyway. Josh, what up? Eddie. Yeah, they're excited, man. They're excited. I'm just excited. I just can't wait for it to be done with. What up, Manuel? I told you, whatever, it doesn't matter what happens now, I'm going to get fucked. The energy has shifted. There it goes. Peace. Peace. I'll just fucking do it already. Holy fuck. Put the accounts out of their misery. Put the account out of its misery. Almost there. Almost there. From up. You know how many times? I haven't done this in a while, but from up $1,100. There it is. Fuck yeah. From up $1,100. I had $1,100 here. Here I had, where was it? 95. No, 21. What was that? 47. I had $940 there. It is what it is. Now it's going to fucking pump. I'm going to come back from hitting baseballs, and it's going to be fucking, whoop. Oh, what did I just do? What did I just fucking do? Oh. Well, I don't even need this anymore. Doesn't matter. I already know what's going to happen. What's NQ doing? Hanging out at the VWAP. Yeah, it's just not happening. I should just quit while I'm ahead. It's funny. I just fucking took over $9 grand in payouts from trade day, and now I can't fucking pass an eval to save my life. I can't even get it past the second day. I just hate blowing evals that were like I had not evals funded accounts. I was up as much as $1,100. I just got annoyed. That's what happens. All right, well there we go. Day one. I told you it was gonna fucking pump as soon as this shit. Where did I get taken out on these Apex accounts? Look, down here. 15. Oh, 84. 84 I got taken out. Literally I got taken out at 84 and it bounced at 81. Up 40 ticks. Look, I'd be green right now if I wasn't over leveraged. That's what happened there. Well, whatever. Let me lose some money here. MNQ. Perfect. There we go. Day one in the books. I can't believe I did that. So fucking stupid. So fucking stupid. See, I still do dumb, stupid fucking shit. Thank God Apex is doing $40 lifetime activation fee right now. Because I didn't lose. It didn't cost me a ton of money, but it was a fucking stupid. It was just stupid. This account was over $1,000 after a couple of days. This account was at 196, and then today I was up $1,100. Or was I up 1,000? My max net liquidity. So that's not true. 1112 minus 196. I was up $916 in that trade. That first trade. Banger. And then I got taken out and made what? 360 because it literally came and found my fucking trailing stop. And then I just, I'm my emotional level is that of a child sometimes when I'm trading, and I got annoyed. So it is what it is. Am I getting this account? Oh, then I just paid the $40 lifetime activation fee. I don't know if I'm going to get it though before I got to go. I'm going hitting. I got to leave for hitting in like 15 minutes. Yeah, gold is fucking crazy. When is the best time to trade gold? Fucking whenever. You know what I mean? Oh, Bartolo, what up, man? Oh, thank you, Chris Kelly. I appreciate it. Yeah, the intraday. Alfred, the intraday. DS, what up? That was what, the trade day shit? Yeah, these were evals. This is an eval. All three of these are intraday 50Ks. You could get a funded account. This right now, trade day is 30% off with no activation fee. You could literally be all in with a funded trade day account for as little as $69.30 with the 50K intradays. Willie C, what up? Thanks for popping in. Robert Gallis, what up? MRC. We got a lot of people on. Got a lot of people on. Devin. Nick, what up? Don't look at the money amount. Look at the ticks. I do count the ticks. I'm definitely not going to do it the way Top Step does it. Too bad I can't hide my balances on Tradeday like they hide their shit. I count in ticks all the time. I needed 19 ticks to get my $900 day with Trade Day. So that's done. Make sure there's no open orders. That just sucks. I can't believe I did that to those Apex accounts. After being up 900 in one of them, I don't think the other one had a chance. The other one I just kept losing. Am I going to trade London Live? I don't know. Probably not. I don't know. It depends on how. What up, Robert Gallis? Oh, I'm not changing shit, bro. I'm not changing anything. $29 G's in fucking 6 weeks. I'm fine. Accounts are gonna get blown. This was just me being immature. That didn't have to happen with that other account. That's for sure. So now I'm just not gonna I'm gonna wait. I'm not gonna touch this one until something better comes along. NQ's barely moving at all. Is it? No. But look here. $786 rejection. Dropped how many fucking points from there? 60. Crazy. Oh, Joseph, that's for trade day. I just do the math. Like, if you were to pass the cheapest account they have is the intraday 50K accounts. They're $69.30 when you put in someone's code, like the best code, ZERODAYJAY. So if you pass it, you don't have to pay an activation fee. So you could literally be all in with a funded trade day account for as little as $69.30. They have day one payouts, daily payouts. You just got to get over the buffer. Take profit traders 40% off. I'm looking forward to trading these fucking 150Ks with gold the way I trade now. I'm curious. I don't know what size I'm going to do. Maybe 3 times the size as the 50K. If I trade with 1 mini on a 50K, maybe I trade with 3. I don't know. But I still have to flip for 2 more days. I have to flip for 2 more days. So this is day 3. So I'll have 4 funded trade day, 4 funded take profit trader accounts on Wednesday. That should be cool. Really sucks about these two, but whatever. What I really want to do is something I've been getting much better at doing, by the way, is now that I got these to a payout, right, I'm going to request, let's just say Apex approves it. Let's say they approve it. Now the goal is to take it to another payout. That's what I want to be able to do, is take it to another payout. Like I did with this Lucid account. This is the third payout I'm getting from this Lucid account. So far, with that Lucid account, from the same account, so far I got 1152 and 1500. 2652. And then tomorrow when the market closes, I'm going to request 2000 and probably get approved within 30 seconds and get paid a minute later. Because that's how fucking awesome Lucid is. So that one account that cost me like 84 bucks or $87, it has brought me back 4,652. That's the name of the game. I made a video talking about all this shit called the Holy Grail of prop firm trading. And that's it right there. Forget about like this shit. This fucking sucks, right? Obviously. It's going to happen. Especially with someone like me. But what are you doing, Penelope? Come here. What are you doing? Get over here. What the Why'd you go back there? Come on. Get out. Get out. Ugh. What happened? My dog just like trapped herself behind the desk and my wife's Peloton. So like I did that with the I did that with the Lucid account, and then with these bulenox accounts, I already got 6,000 total from these two accounts, and now I'm about to get another 3,000 because I just got to get my flip days in. I got my daily loss limit already in place, so I can't get fucked or I can't fuck myself, right? I don't care if I have a losing day. Although since October, what the fuck? Oh, since October 3rd, since I got these accounts last month, October 3rd, I literally have only had one losing day. And that was on a flip day. This was a day 9. This was day 9 on the second round of payouts. So now I'm going to get another $3,000 in these two accounts that cost me a total of what? 1575 plus 1575 plus 296. 327.50, and now they've gotten me for $9,000, 27x return, and 8,672 in profit from those two accounts. You know, so if I could just eliminate, look at gold, motherfucker. Of course, look at this. Look. I got in at 21. It just went up to fucking 32. So whatever. Pine Tree. NQ's rallying. That's cool. Fuck the NQ. Wow, that was a big... What the fuck did that... What happened there? Was there news? That shit just... How many points is that? That's a 1-minute candle. What the fuck? 186. That was a 50-point fucking 1-minute candle. That makes sense. It's just this time of night. There's no fucking volume. J Min, what up? Yeah, Joseph, here's my link. Here's my link for trade day. 30% off, no activation fee. Day 1 payout potential, daily payout potential until you go live. Then it's not exactly daily anymore. But worry about that if you get to that point. Right, guys? You see, guys? There's my link for trade day. Take Profit Traders 40% off with no activation fee. With the best code ZERODAYJAY. Look, it just came all the way back down like it never fucking happened. So stupid. Bulenox is 85% off. Option 1 and option 2. 25Ks or bigger. Lucid is Lucid's what is it? 40% off. 40% off 25K and 50K Lucid test accounts. 30% off everything else. And 5% off for new users for their first account with the best code ZERODAYJAY. Apex is 80% off. 80% off Apex plus $40 lifetime activation fee. That's fucking crazy. They've never, like, it's the lowest all-in cost I've ever seen on the 25 and 50Ks. And then the big accounts, the 150s, 250s, and 300s are all $79. Yeah, Willie, see, I don't think they ever send any promotional emails out, bro. Bro, I don't even know. You know what's crazy? Yo, Willie, half the time I don't even know that they're running a sale until I see someone tell me. Like, I gotta log in and check. I don't even know when they're running sales. I gotta log in and see. It's nuts. Who was that? Oh, look at fucking gold now. This is my entry. Look at my entry here. Yo, this is the one. This was the last trade before this account blew. I got in at fucking 511. It's at 539 now. It had to fucking literally bottom tick me. I got bottom ticked. Look at that shit. So stupid. So fucking stupid. But really, that's what I get. I deserve it for not fucking either stopping after getting taken out here for a $360 gain or not trailing tighter to lock in a lot more. I was stubborn. I wanted what I wanted. I wanted my fucking $1,200 day. Look at this shit go. Look at this shit. 515, 511. It's at fucking 548. So stupid. So fucking stupid. And I had $900 and here I probably had like 800. And I didn't take it. And I could have been good. David Schneider, what up? Dude, you know what you oh my God, bro. Do the math. Is a 50K? Probably a 50K, right? You got to grow that account to 9,750 in profit. Not the worst thing in the world. Look at this shit go. I guarantee you my take profit that was up here is going to get hit. I guarantee it. 82. 82 is going to get hit. I don't know. I just have this feeling. I'm going to come back from fucking baseball, from hitting, and I'm going to see that this shit went all the way up here somewhere. So fucking annoyed. AWAC, what up? Alexi, what's good? Captain Price. Look at that shit go. So fucking funny. So fucking funny. So glad I got bottom ticked. No, I can't trade that account. $15. What the fuck? Well, I guess the 707 was the spot. Look at this shit. You know how often that fucking happens to me? 5 ticks away. So stupid. Devin. No, you got to. You could trade gold with my fund of futures. There's something in the dashboard in your account that you have to fucking like click on or something. I don't know exactly where it is. You got to hit up support. Hit up chat. They'll tell you how to do it. Relax, Jay. Cap. Yo. I'm about as relaxed as you could be. What a fucking drop. Look at this shit. Just dropped like 30 ticks. Well, make that 40. Oh my fucking God. Did you see that? That shit fucking drives me crazy. Look, it's right on it. It's on it. Unbelievable, man. That's like my cue that I got to get the fuck out of here. That's my cue. I got to go anyway. Unfucking believable. This shit happens to me all the fucking time. Sean, is bulenox end of day worth it if you like trading end of day? For 80, what up, Kenny? At 85% off? I've never seen it that low before on the end of day. But there's like a daily loss limit on there too. You gotta just you know, check it out. Oh my God. Look, like 30 ticks. Yeah, they have some scaling rules. Look at that shit. It literally, yo, I mean, look. That's the shit that would happen to me though. Look. It came down to my fucking order. Look. And then it bounced 50 ticks. Amazing, bro. Can't make this shit up. 50 ticks and counting. $60 ticks. Let's see if it rejects here. AWAC. Well, it just rejected 15, 16 ticks there. It's probably going to drop back down. I got to go. So fun's over. Playtime's over for me. But I did do good things already today. I locked in $4,603 that I'm going to request when the market closes. I locked in day 5 and a max payout with Lucid. That's another $2,000 right there. And I got day 8 locked So all I got to do is flip 2 days, and I got another 3,000 there. So what is that? Let's do the math again. 4,603 plus 2,000 plus 3,000. Just from trading today. $9,603. What was it? 9603. And this is the last 6 weeks. 29,000. Not bad. Roger Adams, what up? Lot of lucky trades, guys. Just luck, as some people would say. Just lucky trades. One red day in fucking 28. Just luck. Let's see what my fucking lucid calendar looks like. A lot of green there. I did hit the daily loss limit twice on this account, but it didn't stop me from getting what will be my third payout as soon as the market closes. Did not stop me. If that shit happens to you, just, don't just fucking throw in the towel. Like, you could build the account back up. Anyway, that's annoying. I'm annoyed about this. I just miss getting, look at this. It's up fucking, it went up 60 something ticks from where my order was. That didn't get filled. What are the fucking chances? Anyway, I'll see you guys later. I got to bounce. Enjoy the rest of your night. Thanks for hanging out. Smash the like button on your way out. All that good shit. I'll be on for Power Hour tomorrow. Enjoy the rest of your night. Thanks again for hanging out. Peace.